I'm Cesare Rapier's mom, and this is his baby sister. I want to shout out to my son, Cesare Rapier in heaven. You've been a good son, and I miss you, and I love you.
Whole lot of rain. I don't really trip though. Shit taught me how to smile through the pain. A little bit of sunshine. Whole lot of rain. I don't really sing though. Shit taught me how to survive a little bit. How to smile. A little bit of sunshine. Whole lot of rain. But I don't really trip. Shit taught me how to smile through the pain. Little bit of sunshine, whole lot of rain. All trippin' taught me how to smile through the pain. Smile through the pain, smile through the pain. I don't promise not to fall, but I promise to stand again. I got hopes, I got ambitions, I got dreams and I got visions. Grinding hard trying to get it, put my family in position. And I can't let you get off in my way. No way. You ever battled that depression? Feel like your life was tanking. You've been sober 8 years. Now you consider drinking, get degrees, then get to trapping. What happened, boy, what you thinking? Strange theory, I had minuses in my banking. My bills was overdue, what would you do? I needed help. Ego got to talking to me, told me deal with it myself. I replied with sober mind, can't be blinded chasing the narrow. I'm filled off faith, he got his eyes up on the sparrow. And I've been taught since young that he supply my every need. Get out of line to get it, that's surely a sign of greed. The white embezzle a milli, I make a couple stacks. He get caught, he do the mini, they banking me with the max. These is facts, no hose barred, my heart scarred, please relax. While I seek a peace of mind, releasing it on these tracks. A black man plight, so evident. With y'all in this small room, ignoring this elephant.
We love you so much, Cesare.
Be smiling through the pain.
R.I.P. Cesare.
About the pain.
I promise to stand again. I got hopes, I got ambitions, I got dreams and I got visions. Grinding hard trying to get it, put my family in position. And I can't let you get off in my way. No way. I had friends turn to enemies, not to my face. Tried to snake some shit around me, helped to catch me a case. Why the hell we be competing like this shit is a race? Doing all of that fucking moving, but you running in place. I got some shit that's in my brain I wish that I could erase. I like being no lonely homie, please just give me my space. I be wishing for tender kisses and the warmest embrace, but got too many trust issues, bitches lie to your face. I just wanna be successful, don't wanna die disgrace. I wanna get to this money without catching the case, or catching the body, cause somebody try running my place. And I got kids that I gotta raise. Slipped in some of my old ways, swear to God it weighs. Now is this life or a crisis? I'm hoping just a phase. But hey, they don't like Chazzy Ray, say I stay beside myself. Really, I've been pressed out, trying to hide myself. Little bit of sunshine, whole lot of rain. All trippin' taught me how to smile through the pain. Smile through the pain, smile through the pain. I don't promise not to fall, but I promise to stand again. I got hopes, I got ambitions, I got dreams and I got visions. Grinding hard trying to get it, put my family in position. And I can't let you get off in my way. No way. Bit of sunshine.